Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now, I am going to discuss about top 10 best 3D printers for 2020. Ten, Sindoh 3DWX DP200 3D printer. Key features, product dimensions, 8.3 x 7.9 x 7.7 inches, 44.7 pounds. Shipping weight, 44.7 pounds, view shipping rates and policies. ASIN, B017IZBFB2 item model number, DP200. Batteries 1 lithium metal batteries required. Included. Average customer review, 4.2 out of 5 stars 149 customer reviews. Amazon best sellers rank, hashtag 20,362 in industrial and scientific, see top 100 in industrial and scientific, number 195 in 3D printers product warranty, for warranty information about this product. 9. LulzBot Mini Desktop 3D Printer. Key features, product dimensions, 17 x 22 x 19 inches, 22 pounds. Shipping weight, 25.6 pounds. ASIN, B00S54A1AI. Item model number, KTPR0035NA. Average customer review, 3.8 out of 5 stars 190 customer reviews. Amazon best sellers rank, hashtag 177,458 in industrial and scientific, see top 100 in industrial and scientific. Number 552 in 3D printers. 8. New Mattermod T Desktop 3D printer built-in Wi-Fi, easy to use, safe and quiet. Key features, product dimensions, 17 x 20 x 19 inches, 22 pounds. Shipping weight, 22 pounds. ASIN, B01HBZYFT8. Item model number, 10,725-1 white. 7. ROBO 3DR1 Plus 10x9 x 8 inch ABS PLA 3D printer, white, A1-0002-000. Key features, product dimensions, 19.4 x 17.6 x 20.8 inches, 27 pounds. Shipping weight, 30.8 pounds. ASIN, B0142PHXVU. Item model number, R1 Plus. Average customer review, 3.3 out of 5 stars 300 customer reviews. Amazon best sellers rank, hashtag 215,024 in industrial and scientific, see top 100 in industrial and scientific. Number 633 in 3D printers. 6. 2PAX KRNet 3D printer adhesive sticker build sheet grid ver. 2.0, size 5.9 x 5.9, pack of 3, for XYZ printing Vinci JR 1.0. Key features, build sheet adheres to XYZ printer's bed to help the filaments stick during printing, at the same time protecting your printer. Designed for XYZ printing Vinci Junior 1.0. You can also cut the KRNet build sheet into any smaller size. Adapt to different filaments, ABS, PLA, HIPS, PET+, brick, wood, and flexible, TPE. Heat-resistant durable construction surface. High-quality 3M sticker, bubble-free and easy apply removal. ThingMaker DREN 2 Desktop 3D Printer. Key features, product dimensions, 24 x 21 x 16.5 inches, 36.6 pounds. Shipping weight, 36.6 pounds, view shipping rates and policies. Domestic shipping, item can be shipped within U.S. international shipping, this item is not eligible for international shipping. Learn more. ASIN, B00ELUOERA item model number, N2ASM001. 4. ThingMaker 3D printer key features. Have fun creating and playing with figures that you made yourself, right at home. Design with the ThingMaker Design app, available for free in the Apple App Store and Google Play, available now. Print from the cloud, send your designs straight from a tablet or web browser. Safety features include a retracting print head, automated door lock, and integrated filament system. Choose from a variety of templates. 3. AIO Robotics Zeus all-in-one 3D printer. Key features, product dimensions, 20.9 x 15 x 14.6 inches, 44 pounds. Shipping weight, 56.5 pounds. Shipping advisory, this item must be shipped separately from other items in your order. Additional shipping charges will not apply. ASIN, B00FXBFB24. Item model number, Zeus. Two, DaVinci 2.0 Duo 3D Printer 6x8x8 Build Volume, ABS PLA Dissolvable PVA, 2 Extruder Nozzle. Key features, Dual Extruders. DaVinci 2.0 Duo features 2 extruders allowing you to create multicolor projects. Largest 359 cubic inch build volume 7.8 x 7.8 x 5.9, 20 cm x 20 cm x 15 cm. UL listed for the purpose of classification or evaluation with respect to one or more of the following. 1. Specific risks only, example casualty, fire or shock. 2. Performance under specified conditions. 3. Regulatory codes. 4. Other standards, including international standards. Or 5. Such other conditions as UL may consider desirable. Flash Forge Finder 3D printers with cloud, Wi-Fi, USB cable, and flash drive connectivity. Key features, product dimensions, 16.5 x 16.5 x 16.5 inches, 24.2 pounds. Shipping weight, 29.6 pounds. Viewed shipping rates and policies. ASIN, B016R9E7J2. Item model number, 7003551000638. Average customer review, 4.1 out of 5 stars. 477 customer reviews. Amazon Best Sellers rank, hashtag 2,176 in industrial and scientific, see top 100 in industrial and scientific. Number 50 in 3D printers.